Guys, we're launching the Jamal Bajaj program pack in which we are going to cover up all the exams which is accepted by JBMS. Yeah, it's called CET++. So CMAT, ATMA, MAT, and validity is till May. Till the exam CMAT, ATMA, MAT get over, because May ATMA, MAT also is a good hope for cracking JB. So CET++ is a program. So in case you want to join the program, the validity is, so those who have joined us for the CET program, your validity is till CET because you joined the CET program. Those who are joining us, otherwise you can upgrade. Yeah, this CET++ program we have just launched, uska validity is till June, till May end, till the CMAT, till the last ATMA MAT exam, which happen in May, which will be accepted by 21. Hi guys, I'm getting this question from lot of students कि सर CMAT कब होगा, CMAT का डेट टेंटेटिवली आपके हिसाब से कब आएगा? अरे भाई पहले जो डेट आ गया वो तो पढ़ ले. You study for the exam which are already out. Why you bothered about the exam which is going to happen? It will happen. भाई मेरे पास बाबा जी की माला तो है नहीं कि मैंने प्रे किया और वो मैंने बाबा जी का किया और वो पता लग गया डेट्स क्या है. सो वी हैव नो आइडिया व्हेन द डेट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, बट एग्जाम विल हैपन बिकॉज NTA who is going to conduct the CMAT का एग्जाम, दे आल्सो कंडक्ट द एग्जाम फॉर IFT. तो IFT का इज हैपनिंग, सो IFT का डेट्स आर आउट, सो आई अज्यूम कि CMAT का डेट भी आएगा. कब आएगा वी हैव नो आइडिया. बट इफ यू लुक एट द IFT का एग्जाम, IFT एग्जाम इज डिलेड बाय 2 months फ्रॉम नवंबर एंड टू जनवरी एंड. सो वी कैन अज्यूम कि CMAT एग्जाम भी 1 महीना तो लेट हो गई होगा. IFT एग्जाम दे गए 1 month का पीरियड टू फिल द फॉर्म बिफोर द फॉर्म गेट सबमिटेड. सो IFT का फॉर्म लास्ट डेट इज दिसंबर एंड एंड एग्जाम इज ऑन Jan एंड. सो आई अज्यूम कि CMAT इज गोइंग टू बी अराउंड मिड Feb एंड 1 month पहले Jan 15 तक उसका फॉर्म जाएगा. सो दैट्स माई असम्पशन कि Feb 2nd week 3rd week में आके CMAT का एग्जाम होगा. But why CMAT का exam is important, we'll look at that also. CMAT का exam is taken by Maharashtra CET. That's for the main advantage of CMAT. Plus CMAT is one of the government exam. Now there's a government rule that you have to accept CAT, CMAT, ATMA, MAT, other exam में से कोई और एक लेना पड़ेगा. तो lot of B schools are taking the CMAT scores as well. Now because the COVID situation is changing, like I think IMT Ghaziabad opt out of CMAT exam. So if you know any college which have opted out of the CMAT exam, please post in the comments because I'm not updated with all the colleges. मैं सिर्फ top 10, top 30 colleges को track कर पा रहा हूँ. I'm not able to track every college. Yeah, see that's my problem here. I can't talk about 100 colleges. I have no information about all the 100 colleges. See, if you talk to a stock market person, they track a few stock. कि मेरा ये 10-20 स्टॉक के ऊपर मैं फोकस करता हूँ. तुम ऐसे ही XYZ के बारे में पूछोगे तो आई हैव नो आइडिया. Same for me as well. If you ask me about particular college in Pondicherry, whether it is accepting this score, that score, I'm sorry यार, I can't track all these colleges. ठीक है, तो I'll be tracking top 30 colleges. तो वो मैंने लिस्ट अपडेट कर दिया. तो go to the link cetking.com/CMAT. cetking.com/CMAT. I've updated the complete list of all the colleges which are accepting CMAT score and their tentative cutoff. उसमें से एक आधा कॉलेज अगर लिस्ट में से निकल गया है तो प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म मी इन द कमेंट सो दैट आई कैन अपडेट ऑन द साइट. तो cetking.com/CMAT you will get that thing. Target score is going to be around 300 plus. 300 मार दो उसमें, you are getting a top college. Otherwise 250 plus is the good score. Out of 400 mark का पेपर, 250 plus for a good college and 300 plus for a top college. Yeah, that's normally I say about the cutoff. So paper pattern and everything on cetking.com/CMAT. You can check out that link. You will get all the details about what kind of paper is coming for the CMAT exam. Fine. Preparation wise, if you're preparing for CET, if you're preparing for IFT, same pattern is going to be followed. Quant, verbal, logic, GK. GK the only thing you need to study extra. But if you're preparing for IFT, your tests, you're already being prepared. So CMAT का level of difficulty is much more easier than IFT and the CET exam. ये सोच के मेरे को इस बार लगा भी था कि शायद CMAT will be combined with IFT. मुझे लग रहा था लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. But anyway भाई बड़े लोग हैं, वो लोग जो चाहे वो लोग कर सकते हैं. So CMAT most probably will be happening in February. Paper pattern, level of difficulty will be much more easier than CET. Those who are preparing for CET, you don't need to worry about that because you're already being prepared. Those who are preparing for SNAP, no need to worry about that. Everything is going to be same. SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, CET, TIS. The level of difficulty is exactly same. The only different factor is GK. So please take out the GK. That's the only differentiating factor. Apart from that, everything is going to be same. Alright. So we're launching a mocks program for the CMAT exam. So we are launching 2 programs. One is for CMAT only and one is for all the exam for Jamal Bajaj. In case you want to go for that, the description box में number दिया है, उसमें ZAT, IFT, ZAT, CMAT, क्या क्या लेता है यार, मैं सारा भूल गया था. CMAT, ATMA, MAT, CET. All the colleges will be accepted. All the exams we are going to prepare for that and validity is till May. All the best.